process is that in our particular case, we had, now this is coming from a company fleet, is that when you look at all it takes is one incident. That one incident, our cost savings as a result of not having those incidents has been monumental. So for us, it was a clear choice. You guys have been a fantastic provider. You provide a good service. It's consistent. It's always there. Your support's good. So I would tell anybody that's considering it, I mean, look, if you asked me, I would tell you there was no other choice. So, and Motus is not paying me. I just want everybody to know that. I am an independent distributor, but we deal with a lot of folks, but they've been a great company for us. So we're very happy to have them.
We appreciate you.